what's going on, guys? Tomorrow is the opening day of the Georgia 2022 turkey season on private land. And we're headed down to South Georgia and try and find a few birds. And we'll let you know what's going on. It ought to be good weather. The birds ought to be gobbling. So we'll get back with you with something. Alright guys, today is the day. It is opening day of turkey season on private land here in Georgia. We did a little bit of scouting yesterday, found some birds, know kind of where we're going. We got some history with the place, so we're going to get in there. We're going to see if we can't get one fired up, maybe get one on the ground for y'all. Dad's behind the gun today, I'm on the camera, so we're going to see what happens. Let's do it. I like to shoot at them, and that way they can grow. Oh well, back to the drawing board. Well, that didn't turn out exactly how we wanted it to. We figured there'd be some turkeys walking down this road at some point this morning, but we didn't hear any gobbles anywhere close, so we decided to set up in this blind here on the edge of this little kill plot. And About 10:30, them jakes come walking down the side of the road there, and they got a little too close, so Daddy missed them. But we did hear some turkeys this morning gobbling way off, so I reckon we're gonna try to ease on down in the beaver swamp and see if we can't strike something up. That's the one we're looking for. It's old long toe. So we heard some turkeys gobbling off in here this morning, long ways from where we started. We slipped down the point of this pine ridge down here and got in this little creek bottom down here at the beaver dam. There's a little opening here. It's just green enough where we can hide. There's a ditch on the creek that runs up down through here. And my dad said he's called some in down here before, so we're gonna set up right here, probably for a few hours, and see if we can't catch something creeping up this creek bottom. I guess it's time for a midday update. It is 2:12, and we have not got on the birds. We heard gobbling this morning way off. This is our third set, and no luck. So I think we're gonna take it back, grab a sandwich, and hit it again. We're at spot number 4 for the day. We're in the creek bottom, trying to call one up. I think that's going to do it for day 1, guys. It was a pretty good day. Maybe we can get one roosted down here on this creek for tomorrow. But we sat here for several hours. Soft calling, blind calling. Nothing ever answered us or came in here, but well, I guess next time I see y'all be in the morning. Alright, boys, it's day 2. We got pretty unlucky yesterday, missed one, and didn't get on nothing for the rest of the day. But we know where some birds are on this big clear cut out here. But the problem is, the birds is roosted right on the side of the clear cut, and there's really no way to loop around them because our property line is the edge of the power line, or the clear cut. So there's a ground blind set up out here that they left when they clear cut the place. So that's about our only hope, unless we just want to lay out in the middle of the clear cut like a banshee. So we're going to see what we can muster up. Maybe we'll get one to come in. I hear one drumming. I'd get your gun if I were you. Just calm down. one on the right. Because you can leave the big one, shoot the little one.
Here they come. That's going to be my shot right there.
You just kill whichever one.
Well, I don't want to kill both of them.
No, just kill one.
Well, I got to let them separate. That's it right there. Oh, shoot that on the left.
Shoot whichever one you want.
Get out of the damn way. He was texting me Gobbler.
Yeah, I know, me too.
You ain't got a call in your mouth.
No.
I don't even know if I'd call.
I wouldn't. I
Just let him play out. He'd take about another step. I think I'm gonna get him right there.
Oh,
That's gonna be it.
do it.
Huh?
Do it.
I don't wanna hit that other.
Okay, well then don't do it. Just wait. They're gonna separate right here, I believe. Shoot that one in the back. Give me some, baby. Give me some, baby. Broke it.
The damn dink. Ain't no hooks.
Dang, yeah. Yeah, them is good.
That's good. Yes, sir. That's a good one. Look them hooks on that thing.
Yeah. Yeah, them's dandy.
He's
Big old spurs.
I'm just thankful. Thankful to be hunting with Walker, my son. Thankful we're able to do this. That's all I know. Praise the Lord.
Give me some, dude. That's awesome.
Thanks, son. Yeah, that's the one we want. Flipped him. About 50 yards.
Yeah, about 50 yards. Tell us what happened, man.
Well, we come down here to the white gate. This clear cut. These turkeys hard to get in up on this clear cut. We seen them strutting in here yesterday evening. Was able to get in here by this rock pile this morning, and Walker heard them strut, heard them gobbling, called, hens come in, gobblers was right behind them. Oh, we could have doubled. Walker wanted to leave some seed. We didn't shoot the strutter, but we shot a biggin.
Good enough. Yeah, it's a fine turkey. Big spurred.